Hello student, today we will do question number 27 from exercise, miscellaneous exercise on chapter 7, NCERT Mathematics class 12. So without further ado, let's get started. Do question number 27. We have to find integration of this. So first we will write this sine x plus cos x divided by this. We can write 1 minus sine 2x. This can be written when we will remove one bracket, then 1 and 1 will be cut. So this can be written. Now integration is limit is pi by 3 and this is pi by 6 dx. This can be written sin x plus cos x divided by 1 minus this can be written 1 sin square x plus cos square x minus sin 2x can be written 2 sin x into cos x. Dx limit pi by 3 pi by 6. Now this can be written sin x plus cos x uh, 1 minus this can be written sin x minus cos x whole square pi by 3 pi by 6 dx. Now we'll put here sin x minus cos x is equal to t. It will differentiate both sides. So this will be cos x plus cos differentiation minus sin x minus plus sin x dx is equal to dt. This is limit will also change. How will you change the limit? If you will put the value upper limit pi by 3, so sin pi by 3 means root 3 by 2. T is equal to root 3 by 2 and cos pi by 3 is equal to minus 1 by 2. So upper limit will be root 3 minus 1. Lower limit, if you will put value pi by 6 here, sin 60 sin 30 means pi by 6 is equal to 1 by 2, and this will be root 3 by 2. So lower limit will be 1 minus root 3 by 2. Now we'll put here, so sin x plus cos x dx is equal to dt here. So we'll write dt, and 1 minus sin x cos x we have suppose t, so t square root we have left, root will be also here will be root. Here will be also root. And limit will be upper limit is root 3 minus 1 by 2, and lower limit is 1 minus root 3 by 2. So this is integration of sine inverse t. Now this is root 3 minus 1 by 2. This is 1 minus root 3 by 2. Now we will put value of limits. So this will be, first we will put upper limit sine inverse root 3 minus 1 by 2 minus sine 1 minus root 3 by 2. If we'll take minus common, then here this will be root 3 and this will be minus 1. So minus and minus will be plus. So it will make this sine inverse root 3 minus 1 by 2 plus sine root 3 minus 1 by 2. If you will add this, 2 root 3 minus 1 by 2. This is answer. I hope you must have understood this solution. Today up to here, we will meet in the next session with the next question. Till then, take care. Thank you.